What do you have in there?
Daddy granola bar.
A daddy granola bar?
Mama giving me. Maybe.
That's a Cliff Bar.
Um,
Can I have a bite? Come here. Here you go. You can have some daddy granola bar too. Today was not the easiest. The 3 kids and I went to Target earlier, and that was not the best idea. So I've got like 5 minutes of chill right now, and I want to record it so I can watch it back later and try to remember what it felt like. Got a kid back there looking for me somewhere. This concludes Dad's 5 minutes of chill. I'm gonna go play some ball and push 2 girls on a swing at the same time.
Alright, here we go. Let's go marching, poop by poop to a poop. Let's go marching, over the hodl. Let's go marching. Don't start doing that. Go sit there.
That was a great hit.
Maisie. Oh, Tenley, that is gross. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Whoa!
Where's Easton? Easton, you have your helmet, buddy. Put your helmet on, Easton.
Last hit. You don't need to. You don't need to. You don't have to. This is the last hit.
I feel better with the hand on them.
Can you get up? Good, look at you.
Good hit, Teddy. Good hit.
Nice hit. That was out of the park almost. This is a great hit.
You feeling good out there?
Good hustle, Teddy.
Come over here.
Go, Teddy.
Down that way and then
Teddy.
I know they'll keep score with their
Right here.
I think I won out of all the 4 innings they got stopped before they won 5
Well, hi.
We think it's important to test out the toys at Teddy's preschool just to make sure they're all safe before his class comes down. You're welcome.